Looking for a versatile, lightweight welding machine that's perfect for DIY projects and outdoor repairs? The Fifanki gasless MIG. Welder is a 3-in-1 wonder, combining MIG, ARC and lift TIG welding, adjusts intelligently, and features a user-friendly LCD display. Safe, powerful, and easy to use, it's your new best friend for welding carbon steel and stainless steel. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Reboot MIG Welder 200 AMP 230Vi, a game-changing 5-in-1 multi-process welding machine perfect for DIY enthusiasts and pros alike. With gas and gasless MIG, stick, lift TIG and spot welding, it handles stainless steel and carbon steel easily. No aluminum. Lightweight at just over 6 kilograms. It's portable and packed with features like adjustable speed, premium LED display, and smart safety protections. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile, easy-to-use welding machine? The Simda MIG Welder 240V is perfect for beginners and DIY enthusiasts, offering seamless switchability between MIG and MMA modes with automatic settings. Compact, lightweight, and packed with safety features, it's your go-to for home repairs, auto work, and metal crafting. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Hitbox 140A Portable MIG Welder, your ultimate welding companion. This 4-in-1 machine handles MIG, ARC, lift TIG, and spool gun welding. All gasless and super easy for beginners. With a clear LED display, safety features, and automatic adjustments, it makes welding smooth and hassle-free. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a powerful, portable, and easy-to-use welding machine? The HZX VOGACN 140A Mini Flux Core Welder is your perfect buddy. With safety features, one-button controls, and a lightweight design, it handles everything from thin steel to big projects. Plus, it's gasless, eco-friendly, and comes with all essentials. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.